Hey there, SharpeSoft family, and welcome. We are excited to show you today the next iteration of the Estimator program in the form of 2026A.1. So we've got a few things to go over today. First of all, we can come over to our job list. So one of the first changes we made is if I scoot this out, you can now have job numbers up to 12 characters long, so I can go ahead and just edit one we have. This has 8 characters already, so 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this is just in case you happen to have so many jobs that you need to get up to 12. Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about is the integration of work breakdown structure codes, or WBS codes. And all WBS codes are really just another way to structure your data, a kind of a hierarchical organization. You can either do it by deliverables or by phases. So how we access that is we go over here to the options, show WBS code. We can apply different codes to each individual bid item. So to add a WBS code to one of our items, all we do is we right-click inside the column, we hit change. Now we have access to our magnifying glass. So we have one default WBS code already in here. Go ahead and select that. We can add a few more, and we can just type it in even, just hit enter. Keep going. So once those are done, once you have set up the WBS structure however you feel like, we have a couple further options of what we can do with them. So if we right click, we can export to Excel. If we come all the way down here, we have the option to export by WBS code or description from anywhere that you can export to Excel within the program. We also have a new report. So if we come over here to the report trees, underneath the cost detail reports, we have the WBS code reports, and this will show the total costs of all of the items that are associated with the WBS code. We can do this too. Okay. Moving right along, we're actually going to circle back to the reports menu. So a new option has been added in the labor costs report to exclude benefit and burden costs if they have been applied to the job. And if they have not, like this job here, we have a little line of text here informing the user that there are no benefit and burden costs in this particular report. Okay, and I think we'll wrap up with labor and equipment areas that are being tied to the job owner now. So if we come up here to tables and we open our owners table, say we double click. Now if we come over to job defaults, this section down here is brand new. We have labor area and equipment area. Each owner inside a job can have default areas assigned to them. So when we go into the job details, if we're starting a new job, or if we are changing a job's owner per se, and we have a default owner set up inside the job owner, and then if we were to come to job and then our default labor areas, these would be the exact same as what are associated with the owners in our job defaults. Okay, and that's going to do it for this release. We're super excited. We're super looking forward to everyone being able to get 2026A.1 and give it a shot. We love you, and we will see you in the next release. Take care. Bye.